In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now to edit any password, tap on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. To save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!